Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do collard greens, and I have cleaned these. I left a few out to people that do not cook collard greens, might want to know how to do them. So I left a few out to show you how to do this. When you're buying collard greens at the market, they're going to be a great big leaf like this, and they have this stem right down the middle, and you've got to take that off. So what I do is just take my hand and peel all that off. And we don't cook the stem. See that stem? We're going to throw that away. And usually these in the market, they'll come in bunches. I have 4 bunches all together here. I weighed them, and after you've taken the stem out and washed them, these 4 bundles weighed about 2.5 pounds. We are going to cook ham hocks with them, so I have about 1 pound of ham hocks. And I already have those on the stove. When you get the stem off of them, most people will take them and stack them up. You can do any way you want to cut them up some. You just roll them up like this. This is what most people do. This is what I do too. And you just cut them up like this because you don't want that big leaf all the time. Sometimes, after I get through cutting them up this way, I'll cut them crosswise too. So you can just take that, run your knife down right in the middle so you got them cut again. So now we are ready to wash these. The others that I've already washed, I washed them through 3 different waters. But what you can do here, no more than we have, we'll just hold them under that and get them real clean. These collards are really clean anyway. I didn't find any dirt or anything in the water after I washed them. I already have these washed. I'll put them all in there together. I went ahead and cooked the ham hocks. We used 3 cups of water. We cooked them for 30 minutes. 2 teaspoons of salt. Ham hocks they're usually smoked, and they have a little special flavor to them that's really good in collard greens. And you can put a lot of different things on now. I have a recipe that I really like it. I use turkey necks. This gets kind of like the giblet gravy, you know. They use scrap stuff to cook it, but it turned out great. So, okay, we have these finished. Now we're ready to put the collard greens in there. These cook down a lot, so it's not going to be near what you're looking at here. I really like collard greens. Of course, I like all greens. I like all kinds of greens. We have fresh mustard and fresh lettuce and fresh green onions, and we cut all that up, and then we'll cook some bacon and sprinkle on top, and then use the bacon grease for a little salad dressing, salt and pepper, and it's really good. We call it a spring salad. It's really good. We're ready to put some sugar in it. Usually, you always put some sugar in the collard greens. It makes them taste much better. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of sugar, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of hot pepper flakes. We've got all our seasoning in now, and we're ready to start cooking. You need to check them every once in a while to make sure they have plenty of water in them. We need to turn the heat down now once you get it boiling, and kind of cook it on a medium heat. But they have to cook an hour or longer, and I'll check it every once in a while to see if it has plenty of water in it. We have finished our collards now. It has the ham hocks, and we cooked that for 30 minutes. And then we added some extra water, 2 cups extra water, and we added our collard greens, and we have cooked those for an hour. They are done. I tasted them a few minutes ago to see if they're done. And then I added, during the cooking process, I added another 2 cups because I like to have a lot of liquid in them. What I'm going to do today is take the collard greens out and put them in a bowl and take the liquid, and I'm going to make some dumplings. Turnip greens or collard greens or mustard greens. That's all called pot liquor. You could make dumplings. They're very good. You know, on any dumpling, you have to have a base, like chicken and dumplings, you have chicken broth. And on turnip greens and collards like this, you've got a base liquid. And then you can do them like any other dumpling. You put them on the boil and make your little round dumpling and cook it for about 20 minutes. I tasted this, and it's very tasty. I hope you do cook these, and I hope you enjoy them as much as we do. And I hope you join us on another family video. And thank you for watching.